When it comes to our time, we tend to just throw it away. We don't think of it like money. Even though some of you were protecting $5, which is far less valuable than our time is. We have got to think about our time the same way that we do cash, because our time is far more valuable. And there is only one person on this earth who is going to protect your time. And who is that? Yourself. You are the only person who will protect your time. So it is really important to begin thinking differently, if you're not already thinking this way, about time management, understanding what your priorities are, and be able to triage them during the day. Having an idea of where you want your time to go the following week instead of wondering what happened to my time. And then being more efficient as possible with your tasks. Is there any way you can group them together so your brain can work more efficiently? And then, of course, time estimation. Begin estimating how much time you actually need to get done the next day. And so hopefully you also start curtailing overpromising, because that's what can get us into hot water when we are not using those time estimations